My name is Cormac Diamond. I'm the Managing Director of Bloc Blinds. We are designers and manufacturers of blind systems for skylights and standard windows, and we produce all our products in Draperstown. We approached Invest in Northern Ireland to learn more about the lean principles in relation to production of our blinds. We had the pressures of increased orders and having to be able to produce them. So we wanted to improve our productivity, but also improve the quality of the product we were producing.
Well, initially I would go out and meet the customer and have a discussion and try and get a feel for the types of issues that the business is experiencing. And then from that, we'll start breaking down into a manageable project where we can take the highest hitter, the biggest constraint, and work on that first.
We worked quite closely with the Invest in lean manufacturing team. They did mentor our managers within the business and help them along every stage of the lean process. We analysed each of the production methods within the business and then found that by implementing some lean principles we were able to improve the productivity through change of design or change of how we were actually doing the process.
Bloc Blinds were a very interesting company. They were a young company, a fresh company, and they had a great innovative product. We found out that about 80% of the orders were only for about 20% of the models that they were actually building. So from that we were able to introduce build and finish goods stock of those high running codes. That allowed them to offer a 24-hour turnaround to customers for those high running models that were the mainstay of their business. By introducing this single piece flow line that's operating detached, so it's producing blinds at the rate the customers actually order them. Through removing the waste and the non-value add activities, they've been able to double their production over this last 2 years.
Through the lean production, we pooled orders together to increase the batch sizes of each of the colour types. That in turn then reduced the overall waste of that cutting process. We were able to leave our fabric waste at between 5 and 10%. We introduced a conveyor system into the production line which took out a lot of the timing issues, so every day we were able to predict the output of our manufacturing process. We were able to improve the communication to our customers so they knew exactly when their product would be made and dispatched.
If you had a chance to step back with a fresh pair of eyes looking at your business, map your processes from end to end and try and see where the product or the service isn't flowing, then get a project going around that, improve that process by removing the non-value added activities in it. You can improve your business incrementally by just following that roadmap.
We found that some of the products were not maximising the true potential of output through their design. So the R&D programme through Invest in helped us to redesign some of the products we produced in order to maximise our output and efficiency. Thankfully, as our business is growing, we do see the need to undertake more lean manufacturing principles through the rest of the business, and that includes into the office environment as well. We do want to employ more people, but we want to employ them in a format that is efficient for the business. So we will undertake further training of new staff in lean principles and the principles that we have adopted in the business to date to make sure that we are maximising the full potential of each employee that started within Bloc Blinds.